Hi everybody, you may remember this place. Let's have a look what we got some for insulators today in here. They're pretty full, so don't want to jump into this. There's lots of wires and some insulators. Look at that. There are some insulators in here. Look at the nice thing in the bottom there. If I just can find it, there you go. There it is. Look at that huge disc insulator or suspension insulator. That's big. There's lots of those breakers in here. Pole insulators, the rod and everything. There's some smaller suspensions in there. Some fuses. See those white things? Yes, and some other scrap. There's lots of scrap in here. And some insulators and lots of more scrap. These thick wires. Steel, not aluminum. And yes, more insulators here. Look at that, that's broken. If you can pick it up. Here we go. That's one of those suspension insulators with the pin and the cap. There's the cap and the glass that's broken. Interesting. They are tempered glass, so they will just pulverize when they break. So that's interesting. Yes, also small insulators, a lot of them. There's a wire in here. Got a nice small insulator there, resin. And those old school insulators, antique insulators. Those glass ones are broken, all of them are broken. That's smashed up. That looks complete. Or is it? Yes, that's not broken. And there's another one on top that's broken. There's another one. There's lots of those insulators. All of them are broken. But I think that's not broken, but I don't want that. Those are soft insulators. Lots of more suspensions. Lots of suspensions. And it's a more wire and scrap. Got the big transformers. But yes, I think there's nothing in here that I want. Nope, there's nothing in here. There are some those are lighting arresters. I have lots of them. And there's a bushing. There's a bushing in there. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. There's a bushing. If I just can find it. There it is. I got 4 of those. 4 of those bushings. Took them some days ago. Or some weeks ago. When these were a lot emptier. Yes, but there it is, 45 kV bushing. Yes. Let's have a look around. And in here is some scrap, and there's lots of aluminum wire in here. Aluminium wire. High voltage and low voltage. And bare. There's some transformers on there as well. The wood and scrap. In here, plastic. There's the insulators. There's the transformers, and there's the breaker. That's what a breaker looks like. It's 10 kV breaker. There's another bin there. Let's have a look inside that. I think what's inside. There are electric meters in that one. And there's the poles. I think there's electric meters in that box. This box is pretty high up because they don't want me to jump into it. But let's go in and take a look. Can you see anything? Yes, look at that. Look at those electric meters. There are a lot of electric meters. Let's have a look from the other side. I hate that. Hate melted snow. That's awful. Unfortunately, I can't look inside that. But you can. Let's see, that's a lot of electric meters. There's a pile over there. It's almost empty in here. I just think it's empty. Let's climb up. Yes, that was true. There's a big pile of electric meters. Lots of them. And poles. Look at those suspensions. Aluminium cable, high voltage. There's a suspensions. Brand new suspensions. Yes. That's bloody ice everywhere. I walked all the way up here, from up there to here. And it took extremely long time to do that. That's very slippery. But yes, now you can have a look here. You can see this big concrete block. They're supposed to put transformers in it. And here's all the scrap transformers. They're all scrapped. They give these things away dirt cheap. In the US dollars it will be probably $90 or maybe $220 each. Huge 3-phase transformers. They're used and they are scrapped. They don't want that. They're just going to ship them away. Here's bushing as insulators and come with those lighting arresters. If I'm lucky, I can even get some oil out of some ones, because they got this nice oil tank on top. Yes, they're pretty good stuck. Yes, we can't have a look in them. That's bad. And that's how much oil do we got? Yes, that's pretty good with oil in them. So free transformer oil. Lots of transformers here. Some volts with no transformer in them, of course. Here's another thing. And yes, lots of those transformers. They're pretty round shaped, like two pole picks together. We don't use pole picks here. We use these things. And there's a bigger one. There's some small. That's pretty big. Here's another one. Maybe I can get some of those connector blocks. Let's see how many volt amps this one is. Let's see if I can find it. Made in... no, that was not the date. That was the weight of it, 2 tons. That's a lot. No, there's no rating on there. The rating must be on the other side. There's a silica gel, I think. Rodalco 2007 made a video on how this actually works. The silica gel, how that actually absorbs water from the oil, and that one is empty. Lots of aluminium wire, cable. That vault is open. And there's empty in here. There's some cables, low voltage, thick, a lot of copper in them. They don't care about copper here. It's dirt cheap. Or with this money here, copper is not worth anything. So yes, let's go further up. And it's extremely slippery here. Yes, here you got the rectangular transformers. And there's a wasp's nest on that one. And there's lots of oil cans on them as well. And there's some more silica gel on those. Those are new. Those are old. So that was almost everything. Thanks for watching.